Hi everyone, welcome to the weekly review of my Robinhood brokerage account, aka my fun money account. Balance on the account is $485.13. For the day, I am up 4.17% or $19.44. You see, just changed to $19.53. For the week, I'm up 4.95% or $22.88. And then overall, I am up 7.88% or $35.47, which is pretty decent in my opinion because I literally just started investing in this account last week, I think. So in 1 week, I'm up 7.89%. As I mentioned, this is my fun money account. This is where I'm going to invest in crypto, individual stocks, and then also do options trading. Still learning about options trading. It is making me a little bit nervous because I'm just like, wait, so if I'm wrong, I could lose like hundreds of dollars. And it's like, yes, similar to investing in an individual stock, but with an individual stock, you can keep that stock for years upon years, right? You can keep that stock for decades if you want to. And whereas options, there's an expiration date for it. Yes, there are longer term expiration dates that can do like 1 year, 2 year out, true, but ultimately there is an expiration date. So I better be correct on my prediction whether I think a stock is going to go up or down, because if that contract expires and I'm wrong, all that money is gone. So I'm still learning about it. I think I am definitely going to do my first options contract in December. There is a stock that I feel pretty good about going into 2025. So I'm just like, I think I'm going to be right about this stock. But again, I'm so nervous because those contracts, they can be a couple $100s, and definitely the one that I am going to get will be several $100s. So so bear with me as I continue to learn about options trading. And once I buy that contract in December, after I get paid, then I'll show you what it is. But for today's video, I want to focus on crypto because I really do think crypto is going to just do really well in 2025, especially with Trump in presidency. I know he's very pro crypto, so I just wanted to double down a little bit on crypto. Now, I haven't invested a lot in crypto. So as you see here, one, because again, this is my fun money account, so I'm going in slow in terms of the money I'm putting in here. The majority of my funds are still going into my brokerage account for my early retirement goal. So definitely keep my eyes on the prize there. But where there's a little bit of money left over, this is where I'm putting in the fun money. So I'm not aggressively investing in this account like I do my other brokerage account. So that's why I can't really go in with large amounts for crypto. But crypto, let's look at it. I have 4 positions. So this past week, Shiba, was up 0.82% today, and then for the week was up 2%. I did go ahead, let's just look really quickly before we look at my returns. You see, on November 28th, I did go ahead and buy $10 worth of Shiba, and that gave me 391,696 shares of the coin. And so overall, today's return, it was up 1.03%, or 0.40 cents, and then total return, I'm up 1.79% or 0.71. Yes. So again, I'm not up significantly in Shiba right now, but I really do think that it's going to really take off in 2025. So you see here, my value is $40.71. So just, I wish I could just put, I don't know, $1,000 into Shiba or something like that. But Just trying to make sure I'm investing responsibly the majority. And when I say the majority, I'm talking like 95, 98% of my money into my other brokerage account with my ETFs versus individual stock and crypto and options trading. All right, so that's Shiba. And I also have XRP. XRP actually got onto this one through YouTube. There's a couple folks like posting about it saying like, oh, it's a good coin to get on. I just kind of bought it because again, this is fun money. So I'm like, whatever, like who cares? I'm just going to buy it, see what happens. And wow, look at the position today. Today was up 19.40. It changes constantly. Crypto trades 24 hours. So it's up 19.44% or 0.30. So for XRP, I did go ahead and buy $10 worth this week. And let's see, I got 6.79 shares because it's $1.47 I got it for. Am I saying that right? Yes. So it jumped a lot today. So as you see here, the 19.55% that is up, or $5.87. And then the total return is 19.93, which is $5.95 that I'm up. So I really, truly think that XRP is going to do well in 2025 because just look at it. It's like 1 week it was up 24%. 1 month it's up 251%. Like that is actually staggering to look at. And then let's see, 1 year it's up 203%. So really, again, it's $1.84. I wish I could just put in like another $1,000 into it, but we'll see what happens. So that's XRP. And then Ethereum. Let's see. This one I put in $10 this past week. See here, I got 0.0027 shares because it's like $3,600 per share. So this is definitely a lot more expensive one, but put in $10. And then you can see here, today's return, it's up 0.85% or 0.27. And then my total return is 9.67 or $2.89. So not too bad in terms of return. And then Ethereum, let's see, for the past week, it was up 8.44%. And then past month is 35%. And then the past year, it's 75%. So not too shabby at all. And then last but not least is our favorite Bitcoin. Bitcoin today, let's see, well, I bought $10 worth of share on the 28th. Bitcoin is like $1 billion per share. Okay, it's not $1 billion, but it's $95,000, not $95. Can you imagine if I had gotten into Bitcoin when it was like $95? I would be a multi-millionaire right now. Anyways, but it's $95,000 and I got the $10 that I put in, got me 0.00010 shares. And you see here, today it was up 1.08% or 0.33. And then my total return on it is 3.31 or 0.99. So again, really, and then for Bitcoin past week, it's been down 1.68% or, $1,683. And then past month, it's up 34%. And then past year, it's up 158% or 59,620. Like, that's just staggering to me for something to be up that much in a year. Now, this is where it gets tricky, right? Because these types of returns, you'll never see in the S&P 500. I won't ever see invested in SCHD or like QQQM. But it's risky. It's crypto, right? It's I have to be very careful and just make sure my eyes are on the prize and that my money is again going into my ETFs and I'm putting a small amount into this, but I just can't help thinking like, oh my gosh, I wonder if I just chuck like $10,000 in here. I don't know. Could it be like $100,000 in a year? Like, who knows? Who absolutely knows? I don't know. But I'm very excited about crypto and where it's going to go for 2025. Again, this is all guessing because it can completely crash next year. But I did put in, as you see here, $40 total this past week into crypto, and I definitely want to keep on buying into it. So that's what I wanted to primarily review with you this past week, just focusing on the crypto. But you can all see here, I do have some individual stocks that I invest in, and I've been going back and forth in terms of like buying, trying to like save up to buy a whole share of each of them versus just buying fractional shares. So I don't know. These are all of my holdings. I think I have like 13. Let me count. Sorry. 19 stocks. That is just bonkers. But I do think they're all stocks that will do well a year from now. So again, just trying to figure out where to invest the money. All right, that's all the updates for this week. And I'll talk to you next week. Bye.